Hey tea lovers, this is Carly with Full Leaf Tea Company. Today we're going to talk about a lot of different portions of the matcha that we carry, including the different grades, which type you should choose, the benefits of matcha, and why you should drink matcha. First up, let's talk about what matcha is. Matcha is a type of powdered green tea that is made from shade-grown tea leaves, which are carefully harvested, steamed, dried, and ground into a fine powder. The production of matcha involves several unique steps. The tea plants used for matcha are typically shaded for a few weeks before harvest, which stimulates the growth of extra vibrant leaves with increased chlorophyll content. This shading process also enhances the flavor and aroma of the tea. The vibrant green color of matcha is a result of its high chlorophyll content. Matcha is known for its rich flavor profile, which combines natural sweetness and umami notes and a slight bitterness. Matcha has a smooth and creamy texture when properly prepared. Matcha is packed with health benefits. Because of the amino acids from the L-theanine in it, you won't get that caffeine crash that you get when you drink a cup of coffee. The caffeine in matcha works a little bit differently in your body, making it a much smoother level up to that higher caffeine level and a smoother level down to when you're ready to go to bed at night. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in matcha can protect against neurogenetic diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, along with enhancing mental clarity, focus, and having a smoother come down to sleep at night. Where does Full Leaf Tea Co. get our matcha? All of our matcha comes from the Kyoto region of Japan. It's very important to make sure the source of your matcha is Japan instead of China, as Chinese matcha can sometimes contain things like rice fillers or other additives you don't want in your body. All of our matcha is third-party tested prior to coming to our facility, so you can rest assured it's all contaminant and toxin-free. You've probably heard of Matcha Grades before, but why do those matter? Matcha is typically sorted into 3 different grades, depending on several factors, including the appearance of the tea leaves, the way they're harvested and grown, and the quality of the matcha. Ceremonial, premium, and culinary are the 3 main types of matcha that you'll see in stores. So what are the differences between those 3 grades of matcha that we just talked about? One of our most common customer questions is, what is the difference between our organic premium, culinary, and ceremonial matcha? Starting with the lowest grade, culinary matcha is a great choice for exactly what it sounds like, cooking. Culinary matcha is meant to be used in preparations where you're going to use a lot of matcha and mix it into a batter, smoothie, or something where matcha is going to be combined with other flavors. The middle grade and most popular matcha is our organic premium matcha. Premium grade matcha is the most versatile of the 3, as it's high enough grade to be drank by itself, but also can be used in baking, smoothies, and lattes. Our organic premium matcha is what we use in most of our blended matchas, combining it with everything from chia seeds to wheatgrass for a delicious range of matcha preparations. Ceremonial matcha is the highest grade and created from the youngest, most tender green tea leaves. Ceremonial matcha got its name because it is used in tea ceremonies and is best to drink by itself to appreciate the subtle flavors and nuances of the matcha. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you learned something helpful and that this answered some of your questions about the different matchas we carry. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye!